Hey, good morning. Patrick Loda with MarineMax here in Somers Point, New Jersey. Today we're checking out the 2025 Sailfish 272 center console. Phenomenal boat. We're back here in the transom of the boat. This has the upgraded twin 250 Yamaha with the white engines. Has the electric steering on here. You have a nice walk-through transom, which is great. So this way you're not stepping on top of cushions. Keep it very simple, smooth. A bunch of rod holders here on the back. Tool holder right here, saltwater wash down. You also have a regular shower here in the back. You also have another remote for your stereo. Swim ladder, additional storage box in the back. Also has your bait well here in the back as well, which is great. Again, rod holders, push-up cleats. Very well thought out boat. Also part of your entertainment package, you have a ski pylon, telescoping. So this way you do your all day on the water, hanging out at the shoals, you go swimming, a little fluking, a little bass fishing, whatever it is that you guys like to do. Nice fold-away aft seat here. Okay, nice and comfortable. Doesn't get in the way when you're out fishing. Very smooth, easy walk around. Okay. Also, too, it's a self-bailing cockpit. So what that means is gives you that ease of if you get a real heavy-duty rainstorm or something, the water's going to drain out. And then this way, you still have a bilge pump in there. That'll be your next question that you will ask. You also have a additional seat here. Cup holders, rod holders. These are called fender holders. Clip them right in, real simple and easy. More rod holders here on the gunnel. You got your rocket launchers here, powder coated. This is right from the factory. You also have a live well here. Sink. Additional cup holders. This is also a great prep station too. Some guys like to put like the sea deck on. Up top here, rocket launchers, PFD storage. You have your stereo speakers, spreader lights. Then we'll move around here to the helm area. So this has a all powder coated D-tubing, glass enclosure with a windshield wiper. This is what they call as a console top organizer. Put all your gear in here, wallet, phone, such items. Compass, twin dash here with the acrylic, all lit up switching. Trim tabs with LED indicator. This is your controls that are digital throttle. Yamaha Helm Master. Has a windlass, that's a through hole by the way. And great kind of a setup. Additional storage in here. And then here is your chairs as you're running. These are super comfortable. You can stand and run the boat, okay, or fold them down, have your armrest. Okay. There's also a helm pad that's stowed away in the boat at the moment. Tilt helm. Okay. As we're moving forward, you have a tow rail here, so this way when you're out fishing, gives you a little peace of mind. It's also nice too for if you get folks out there that have small kids. Look at the depth of the freeboard here. Gives you that peace of mind because you're bending this way. All right. Here's your head compartment, battery switching. We have some extra cushions and canvas stowed away in here, but this is an electric head in here. Moving forward, plenty of seating up front. So this is that all-around boat, kind of like the SUV of the boating, some of my colleagues like to call it, because this way you can fish, cruise, dock and dine, sandbar, do a little bit of everything. That's what it's meant to do. So you want to come see this boat or any other boat, come see us at MarineMax, Somers Point, New Jersey, 609-926-0600. See you on the water.